Good morning, students. I am Reena teacher, and I am again here with you with the next lesson, that is lesson number 4, the white. Now, this white elephant is a very nice story. It has got a very good moral in this lesson. So, we'll quickly move to what this lesson wants to tell us about. Now, this is a story about a herd of elephants. Somewhere 80,000 elephants were there uh, in the Himalayas, where the leader of this uh, herd was a white elephant. And this white elephant was a very kind hearted animal which loved his mother very much. And his mother grown very old and very weak, and she could not look after herself, so she was completely dependent on this white elephant. Now this white elephant used to send messengers to his mother so that they can reach out fruits and food for his mother. But the messengers, what they used to do, they used to eat away whatever they was sent by this white elephant on the way. And when this white elephant used to reach home, at that time the mother used to like starve with hunger, so that was a very bad condition. So this white elephant decided that they will leave the um, place, and with his mother he moved to Mount Kendorana. And there was a beautiful lake there which was covered with pink lotus. And one day this white elephant was feeding his mother. uh, that time he heard some loud cry, and there was a forester who was there from Banaras, and had lost his way in the forest, and he was absolutely very much terrified, scared, because from 7 days he's been searching for the way and he could not get away. So on seeing this big white elephant, the that forester got more terrified, more scared he became when he saw this white elephant, and he was again running. So this white elephant ran behind him and told him not to be afraid, and he wants to help him. So the forester asked that he was roaming in the forest from 7 days and he could not get the way out. So this elephant then said that not to worry, he will take him to the forest place. Okay, and this forester then went with this white elephant, and he crossed the way back to Banaras. And on the reaching of the city, this forester heard about a news that his king's personal elephant had died, and the king was looking for a new elephant. So the forester was very excited. Okay, yes, I this white elephant would be very helpful if I tell the king that there is a white elephant here in the forest. Then they can fetch. Because of this forester, the king, when he got this information, he was very pleased, and so he sent all number of soldiers to take this elephant. And this elephant knew that I cannot do anything if I there were so many soldiers and all. If he had to show his anger and all, what will happen? That many men or many soldiers would have died. So he quietly went with this soldiers, and he was very upset because there was no one to look after his mother. So then after that, uh, the elephant was very sad when he reached the king's uh, kingdom. And then the uh, elephant was not able to return home that night, and the mother was very much worried because the mother had no food, she was blind, she could not see, and she could not eat. Sad on that. And then what the king did, the king decorated this white elephant with and made him look very royal and grand. But still, the elephant was not at all happy because he was all worried about his mother who was alone in the forest. And then the king came to the white elephant and asked him about. So then he responded that he has a mother who is blind, and she has no one to look after, and I was the one to look after her. But then, because of this, I am not able to look after her. So if you could please send me back. So hearing this, the king was very sad and worried. So he was so compassionate also about it. And so when he heard about this story of this elephant, he immediately sent the white elephant to his mother and asked him to take care of his mother. So the elephant happily mother, and then when he saw that his mother was still alive, he filled his trunk with water and sprayed on his mother. And when this elephant sprayed, the mother thought that it was some evil spirit or something who had come to harm, and she was praying. And when the mother could feel that this was my son who is there, and the white elephant gently bent over his blind mother and stroked lovingly to him. And then she immediately lifted her son and was told about the story. The king, the elephant, the white elephant told about the story, that how he was taken away by the king of Banaras. And then when he told the king about his mother, who is who is blind and who cannot see and who cannot make search for her own food, he was very kind and he was very compassionate, and he let him free. So the mother was also very thrilled and blessed by this. And when she heard this, she was so thankful to this king of Banaras, and she prayed for this king. And after that, the white elephant stayed with his mother, taking good care of his mother till the day she died. And when this white elephant died, the king statue of this white elephant. And after that, uh, always there was an annual elephant festival near this lake, which is built in the memory of soul. Elephant soul was very kind and very caring, so it was a noble soul. So for that memory, this statue was erected. Moral of the story is that you should always give affection and care to all your dear ones. Respect others' feelings also. Like where you see in this story, there was a forester. The white elephant had helped the forester who had lost his way. 7 days he was in the forest looking out for the way. But the forester, what did he do when he reached the place? He sent the soldiers to capture this white elephant. Okay, so that was ingratitude that this forester did to the elephant. So we should remember, whatever gratitude we have done, we should respect that, give it back. Okay, and show your love and affection to your dear ones, and respect everybody's feelings. So thank you so much, and have a good day. Hope so you have enjoyed this story. Thank you, and bye bye.